Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most natural, and most enjoyable way. There's no need to stress over complicated grammar. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's how you'll learn English while discovering the most important moments that shaped the United States. In today's episode, we're going back in time, back to the very beginning of American history, to learn about the 13 original colonies, how the U.S. was born. This story is full of courage, conflict, and the desire for independence. Let's begin. The United States we know today started with just 13 British colonies located along the east coast of North America. These colonies were founded between 1607 and 1733, and they were controlled by Great Britain for over a century. The colonies were divided into three regions: New England, Middle, and Southern colonies, each with its own culture, economy, and climate. The New England colonies, like Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and New Hampshire, were known for their religious roots and town-based communities. Many settlers came here to escape religious persecution in Europe. The cold climate and rocky soil made farming difficult, so they focused on fishing, shipbuilding, and trade. In the middle colonies, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Delaware, you found rich farmland and cultural diversity. These colonies welcomed immigrants from many European countries and became centers of farming and commerce. Finally, the southern colonies, Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia, had warm weather and fertile land, perfect for growing cash crops like tobacco, rice, and cotton. These plantations depended heavily on enslaved labor, which would later become a major issue in American history. At first, these colonies were loyal to Britain, but over time, colonists grew frustrated with British control, especially unfair taxes and lack of representation in Parliament. This led to growing unrest and eventually a revolutionary movement. In 1776, leaders from the 13 colonies gathered and signed the Declaration of Independence, officially breaking away from British rule. The American Revolution followed, and after years of war, the United States was born. These 13 colonies later became the first 13 states in the new nation, forming the foundation of the United States of America. From that point on, the country began to expand westward, adding more states, but everything started with these original 13. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about the birth of the United States and the story of the 13 original colonies, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That's your chance to review and strengthen your English and understanding of American history. Please like and share this video to help us keep growing and creating even more amazing content for you. See you in the next adventure